Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let's introduce myself. My name is Fadilah Farul Sidik. I am a student from Universitas Pancasila Tegal, majoring in civic education, and today I will present our article entitled Implementation of PKWB Activities, Character Education and National Insight toward the Formation of Student National at State Vocational High School 3, Tegal City. And the next slide, background. And one low character factor, two low factor of national insight, and last low nationalism factor of student. The next slide, problem formulation. First of all is the implementation of character, education, and national insight activity at the State Vocational High School 3 Tegal City. And two, what is the national of student of the State Vocational High School 3 Tegal City? And three, what is the role of character education and national insight activity to ensure student national at the State Vocational High School 3 Tegal City? The next research objective. Analyze the implementation of the character education and the national insight the State Vocational High School 3 Tegal City, and two, to find out the national of the student to the school vocational high school in 3 Tegal City, and three, to analyze the role character education and national insight activities to encourage student national of the State Vocational High School 3 Tegal City. And research benefit. 1. The theoretical benefit, and 2. Practical benefit. The next slide, the theoretical foundation, character, vision national, and nationalist. The next slide, character, by Sukatin et al. Character education is a learning system that focuses on moral value, which include aspects on understanding owners of interaction as well as the impression of this value in interaction with good Almighty oneself, outer the environment of the soul. And next, national vision. National insight as defined in the MPR decrees on the outline of the state declaration refer to the view and attitude of the Indonesian people forward their identity and interaction with their social, cultural, and political environment, which is based on the principle of Pancasila. And next, nationalist. Nationalist is a sense of love for the homeland that arises from people's awareness of the need to build a country and defend the sovereignty is called nationalist. To achieve the goal of defending the country independent and sovereign, the author encourages people to unite and work together. By Amalia et al. And the next slide, skeleton thing, and combination of concept vision national and concept national, the formation of national attitude through PKWB in study. The next slide, method research and research procedure, pre-research stage and research stage, and data source, data price, and data second. And research approach, qualitative, descriptive. The next slide, technique data collection. 1. Interview, observation, documentation, and triangulation. And exercise data, word and action, written source, and photograph. Data analysis technique, data connection, layout display, and conclusion drawn verification. Technique for presenting analysis result, The research will systematically outline from the initial process to the end, including the steps taken and the challenge phase. And first, data cumulative, reduction, analysis, and consolidation. Result research. Research location: 3 grade secondary school in Tegal City, an informant, 2 deputy student affairs, and 8 student in vocational high school, 3 Tegal City. Discussion. First discussion, implementation of character education and national insight activities. The pre-implementation of PKWP is carried out with careful planning, including for formation of a committee from the school and student, a clear division of tasks, and the preparation of agenda, presenter, and facilities despite technical elimination. Communication with student and the parent is also going well. During the implementation, the activities ran smoothly with student enthusiasts. Varied learning method and physical activities that support character building. And the next slide. Second discussion, nationalism of student. The attitude of the student nationalists has been reflected in the real behavior at schools, such as participating in flag ceremonies, respecting teacher, and being active in national activities. Students generally behave in a orderly and enthusiastic manner, although there are still those who have not been consistent in managing school facilities. The formation of nationalism is influenced by self-awareness, a sportive school environment, and character strengthening activities for us PKWP. The last discussion. The role of character education and national insight activity to increase to the national at high school, Tegal City. PKWP actives play an important role in encouraging student national ascent from the positive can choose as the increased discipline, respect for the teacher and participant in national activities. The evolution show that students are beginning to apply the value for the national in their daily lives. With a fun approach and the support of the school environment, the PKWP is an effective strategy in instilling nationalism in the school. Thank you very much for your attention of the presentation the PKWP. Thank you.